Right now, I'm going to invite here who will speak about the introduction and brains daily routine, yesterday routine or today routine. या तो yesterday वाला होना चाहिए या तो today वाला होना चाहिए. आप कोई दिक्कत नहीं. And the future routine. And after that, what could your father do? This is and what can you do? What is your power? This is and after that, your village, your society. Okay. So right now, I would like to invite you. Please come, Mr. Ayush Kumar. Please welcome. Please clap for him. Please clap for him. All right. Please take it.
Great morning, everybody.
Great morning.
How is your life?
Great,
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. How are you feeling? This is Ayush Kumar. I am a student. I study in Tata DA Public School. I want to become a businessman. My hobbies are I like play badminton, I like play cricket. My strength is history and math. My weakness standing is but on working dead. My favorite teacher is Amit sir. I want to become IPS officer. My mother name is Bobby Devi. My father name is Dilip Kumar. My mother profession is welder. My mother profession is shopkeeper. I have got 10 members in family. I have got 2 siblings in my family. काट के देख
No! You cannot speak English. No! I can speak English.
I can speak English. Now I want to tell about my society. There are so many bad people in my society. There are so many good people in my society. There are curtains in my society. There are beds in my society. There are godreges in my society. There are houses in my society. There are gates in my society. Now I want to tell about my home. My home is so beautiful. There are curtains in my home. There are mixer machines in my home. There is aquarium in my home. There is freezers in my home. There are vegetables in my home. Now I want to tell about my dream. I want to become IPS officer because IPS post is highly respected post and I help poor people because I want to become IPS officer. I make building because I help poor people life. I want to help poor people because there are so many poor people in India. That is why I want to help poor people. Now I want to tell what could my father do. My father buy BMW but he could not buy because he had not money. My father go to shop but he could not go to shop because he had no time. Now I want to tell about my power. I can speak English because I have body power, I have mind power, I have time power. I can help my mother because I have body power, I have mind power, I have time power. I can help my friend because I have body power, I have mind power, I have time power. I can talk myself because I have body power, I have mind power, I have time power. Now I want to tell about my daily routine. First I wake up 5 o'clock and I go to washroom, then I come to room, after that I bath, after bathing I change my dress and then I go to school. After going I go to assembly line and I pray and then I go to classroom. After that I study and then I eat lunch. After eating I go to washroom and I come to classroom. Then I sit in the bus. After that I come to home and then I change my dress. After changing I eat lunch and I watch TV. Then I go to coaching class. After that I study and then I speaking practice in coaching class and then I come to coaching class, come to home. After coming I watch TV and I play. Then I study. After that I eat dinner and then I go to washroom. After going I come to room and I sleep. Now I want to tell about my today routine. I woke up, I go to washroom, then I come to room. After that I change my dress and then I wash my face. After washing I come to coaching class. Now I want to tell about my future routine. I go to home and I change my dress. Then I will change my dress. Then I will watch TV. After that I will help my mother and then I go to shop. After going I will buy chips and I will go to home. Then I will help my mother. After that I will eat lunch and then I will play in the phone and I will play with my friend. then I will study. After that, studying, I will eat dinner and I will go to washroom. Then I will come to room. After that, I will sleep.
Okay, so now I want to ask you the questions. Okay, I will speak in Hindi, you will speak in English. Okay?
Yes, sir.
मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ,
I go to school.
मैं स्कूल से आता हूँ,
I come to home.
मैं कोचिंग जाता हूँ,
I go to coaching class.
मैं पढ़ता हूँ,
I study.
मैं सुनता हूँ,
I listen.
मैं समझता हूँ,
I understand.
मैं लिखता हूँ,
I write.
मैं बोलता हूँ,
I speak.
वह बोलती है,
She speaks.
वह सुनती है,
She listens.
वह समझती है।
She understands.
क्या मैं जानता हूँ? क्या मैं जानता हूँ? डू आई गो?
Yes, sir.
क्या मैं सुनता हूँ?
Do I listen?
क्या मैं समझता हूँ?
Do I understand?
क्या मैं जाता हूँ?
Do I go?
मैं नहीं जाता,
Do no, I do not go.
मैं नहीं समझता हूँ,
No, I do not listen.
मैं नहीं जानता,
No, I do not.
मैं नहीं पढ़ता हूँ।
No, I do not read.
Okay, and now tell me, can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Can you understand English?
Yes, I can understand English because I have mind power, I have body power, I have time power.
Okay, can you write English?
Yes, I can write English because I have mind power, I have time power, I have body power.
And tell me, can you jump?
Yes, I can jump.
Can you run?
Yes, I can run because I have body power, I have mind power.
Okay, can you walk?
Yes, I walk because I have body power.
Can you talk?
Yes, I talk because I have body power, I have mind power, I have time power.
Okay, one thing is very important. So now stand like this and look them. Look them. Your eye must be there. Okay, and do like this. Okay, and speak loudly and with confidence. A great morning, everybody.
Great morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How is going your life?
It's getting day by day fantastic.
Okay, act like me. Okay, do like this. Do like this. काट के रखेंगे.
काट के देखते.
No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
You cannot speak English.
You cannot speak English.
No.
No.
You cannot speak English.
You cannot speak English.
Only I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I can understand English.
I can understand English.
Everybody,
Everybody,
can you speak English?
can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Can you understand English?
Can you understand English?
Yes, I can understand English.
Can you write English?
Can you write English?
Yes, I can write English.
I don't believe.
I don't believe.
Excuse me, एक बार बोलो तो चरित्र जब पवित्र है,
चरित्र जब पवित्र है,
क्यों है ये दशा तेरी?
क्यों है ये दशा तेरी?
चरित्र जब पवित्र है,
चरित्र जब पवित्र है,
तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी?
तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी?
ये पापियों को हक नहीं.
ये पापियों को हक नहीं.
इधर इसलिए नाम हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, ये पापियों को हक नहीं.
ये पापियों को हक नहीं.
ले परीक्षा तेरी.
ये ले परीक्षा तेरी.
एक बार फिर से कॉन्फिडेंटली माइक में बोलना है आप. ठीक है, बोलो ग्रेट मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी.
Great morning, everybody.
Great morning.
How is going your life?
It's getting day by day fantastic.